Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This fob was used on the Mazda RX-8 Miata from 2004 to 2005 and contains its CR 2025 battery. This is really easy to open. If you look for the keychain hole on the top, there is a little indentation between the two halves of the plastic fob. The easiest way to get these apart is with a flathead screwdriver. And if you just put the tool into that indentation and twist carefully, you will start to separate the two halves. You can go in, continue going down the side until you get them get them separated in half again. Now you could also use maybe a coin, put it in there and twist, or even just your fingers. It can be done. Let me show you. Yeah, just even with your fingers. Inside, we have the 2025 battery. You won't be able to get this out with your fingers easily. If you have a more precise tool and you just target the bottom here and push with a little bit of pressure, it will pop right out. So with the keyhole, keyring hole in the top, if you take something like a toothpick, precision screwdriver, and push into the bottom, the battery will come right out. You can even do it with the same big flathead here. If you just kind of angle it down and push in and wiggle, you will release the battery. Now get a brand new one and make sure the brand and battery information is facing up. Slide it down first into these two little plastic things holding it in, and then push in the top. And it'll go right into place. Show you again. Brand facing up, slide it down, and push in the top. And that is all it takes. It really is that easy. Just click the other side back on, and you are done. That's your Mazda RX-8 Miata key fob.